This is the 2026 Porsche Motorhome, not just an RV. You can tell this is a new kind of automobile as soon as you see its sculpted carbon fiber exterior. From the recognizable headlamp shape to the smooth, pop-out door handles, its aerodynamic, low-slung profile and distinctive Porsche design language are all there in its elegant appearance. This is designed for performance, not just appearances. A powerful, all-electric powertrain with 2 motors under the body produces an incredible 950 horsepower. This luxurious home on wheels can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astoundingly short 4.9 seconds thanks to the rapid torque provided by this potent EV system. With the speed and economy you would expect from a Porsche, this motorhome, which is powered by a revolutionary solid-state battery, delivers on its promise of adventure. You are instantly transported to a world of cutting-edge technology as soon as you enter the cockpit. The dashboard is a single, sweeping OLED panel that shows a 360-degree autonomous driving interface in addition to your speed and remaining range. The Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel, which was modeled after the 918 Spider, has built-in media and navigation functions. Without ever taking your hands off the wheel, you can control the living area, change the temperature, and select your destination with AI-powered voice commands. Even the longest trips will seem smooth thanks to the driver's seat, a massaging sports seat with complete electronic adjustability. Beyond the cockpit, the living area is a minimalist luxury masterpiece. High-tech smart glass that can be shaded for privacy or changed to a panoramic view of your surroundings lines the inside walls. A dining table that folds smoothly into the wall and a sofa that electrically retracts to free up additional floor space are examples of the modular furniture. The combination of brushed metal, lush vegan leather, and natural wood on every surface creates a luxurious yet serene ambience. A cutting-edge sound system transforms the entire RV into a private performance venue, and hidden compartments and motorized cabinets keep the area clutter-free. The master bedroom provides a peaceful retreat when it's time to relax. In a quiet corner is a king-sized bed with an orthopedic mattress. The bedroom's sound-absorbing walls guarantee a quiet and restful night's sleep. At the foot of the bed is a 55-inch OLED screen that can be retracted, making it ideal for a nighttime movie. When the smart glass windows are in the starlight mode, a realistic night sky is projected onto the ceiling, resulting in a peaceful atmosphere. The motorhome's high-tech elegance is demonstrated in the bathroom. A large walk-in shower has a computerized control panel that lets you precisely adjust the water's temperature, pressure, and even steam function. The vanity has an illuminated mirror with built-in facial recognition, and the toilet is a heated, self-cleaning device. Each surface is made of a smooth, seamless composite material that embodies Porsche's signature balance of style and functionality. It is not only aesthetically pleasing but also remarkably easy to clean and maintain. The galley kitchen, which combines flair and functionality, is a chef's paradise. A small, deep basin sink with an intelligent faucet and a retractable 2-burner induction cooktop are concealed under a sleek, black granite countertop. The full-sized freezer and refrigerator blend in perfectly with the cabinetry, while ingenious storage solutions keep all of your gear and utensils out of sight but within easy reach. A microwave and convection oven combo makes it simple to produce excellent meals. The Porsche Motorhome's kitchen is a perfect illustration of how elegant design is prioritized without compromising on home comforts.